1950s Frigidaire Restoration Part 2. Finishing up Bondo on the lower kick plate piece.
I found my thrill.
First couple of coats of the new turquoise color. Lots of wire will work on old, rusty wire shelves. After a lot of work grinding thrust away, it appears that the remaining metal is unfortunately pitted. Finally matching turquoise on lower piece. Before and after removing tarnish from the chrome badges.